Hello everyone. So in this tutorial we are going to start the second differentiation or second derivatives. So far we have done the first differentiation and now we are going to learn about the second differentiation. So before I start, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do and hit the like button if you like this tutorial. So let's start with the second differentiation. So we will try to understand it by one example. Okay, so if y is equal to x cube plus x square, and if you want to find the first differentiation, that is dy over dx, so you are interested in dy by dx, or you can write also that y dash, and that will be 3x square plus 2x, and this is your first differentiation. Okay, this is your first differentiation. Now if you want to find the second differentiation of this one, what you have to do, you have to differentiate this one more time. Okay, what you have to do, you have to differentiate this one more time. So if you try to differentiate this one more time, you will get d square y and dx square. Okay, here the square power is on the d and here the square power is on the x, so you have to remember that. Now this can be written as y double dash, and if you differentiate this one more time, you will get 6x plus 2. Okay, so that is all your second differentiation. There is no rocket science here. What you have to do basically is you have to differentiate the function 2 times and then you will get your second differentiation. So hope you understand this one. Now let's do some question based on the second differentiation. Now let's see this question. So the function is given and the function is x plus 1 over x, and we have to differentiate 2 times because they have asked f double of x, and then whatever you are getting the function, you have to replace x by 1. So this means that find the differentiation, the value of differentiation at x equal to 1. So we have to differentiate it 2 times and then we have to put x is equal to 1. So let's try to rearrange this one because we want to simplify it, and if you simplify, you'll get this on x, and this one you'll get x to the power minus 1. Now differentiate it 1 time, so I will write f dash of x. Here the y is not given, so I'm writing f dash of x, which means the first differentiation of the function x. So differentiation of x is 1, and differentiation of this will be, power will come in the front, we have to use power rule, x, and the power is getting reduced by 1, which is 1 minus 1 minus 1. So if you simplify it, you will get 1 minus x to the power minus 2. This is your first differentiation. Now we are interested in the second differentiation, so we have to do it 2 times, f dash of x. Now if we differentiate this one 2 times, differentiation of 1 is 0 minus, and now we have to find differentiation of x to the power minus 2. So we have to use power rule, so minus 2 x, I'm writing here directly, it will be minus 3 because minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So what you will get from here, you will get 2 x power minus 3, or you can also write 2 over x cube. Hope you understand why I'm writing in denominator, to make it more simple. Okay, this is your second differentiation. Okay, now we have to find the values of the function at x is equal to 1. Okay, so let's do that. So in second differentiation, if you put the values of x is equal to 1, what you will get, you have to do like this, 2 over 1 to the power 3, because x is replaced by 1, so you will get your answer as 2. So this is your final answer. Okay, so your answer is 2. Now we will do another question based on the second differentiation method. Now this is thus another question we are going to do. Okay, now the function here is, they have not given in the form of f or y, they have written h is a function. Okay, so I can write h is a function, so I can write h of t, and there is no x, so because the function h depends on t only, so this will be my proper way to write the function. Okay, now what we have to do, let's see. We have to evaluate second differentiation and the find its value when t equal to 3. So let's differentiate it one time. With here we have to remember that we are differentiating with respect to t, not with x, because x is not given, which is obviously differentiation of 10 is 0 and differentiation of 3t square. So I will leave the t 3 and differentiation of t square is power rule, so you will get 2t because differentiation of x square is 2x, so differentiation of t square will be 2t minus 4 and differentiation of t cube is 3t square. Okay, now let's simplify this further. This will become 0, this will become 60, okay, and this will become minus 12 t square. Okay, but this is the first differentiation. We have to follow, sorry, in the question there should be h because, and here it should be t. Okay, now we have to do it 2 times differentiation, and that is also known as d square h. That's what we have to find over dt square. Okay, now differentiation of 60 is 6 minus 12 and differentiation of t square is 2t because differentiation of x square is 2x. The answer is 6 minus 12, no, 24t. Okay, 24t. So this is your final second differentiation. Now we have to find the value of this at t equal to 3. So I can write also that f double dash and t will be replaced by 3. So your answer will be 6 minus 24 multiplied by 3. If you do that, okay, if you do that, you are going to get 6 minus, let me check, 24 times 3 will be your 72. 6 minus 72, and that will become minus 66. So this is your final answer. So minus 66 is your final answer. So hope you understand the procedure, how we are proceeding with the double differentiation. We are differentiating it 1 times, then again we are differentiating 2 times, and then we put the value of t if they have asked in the question. Okay, now let's try with another question. So here we have to prove. Okay, now this might be a new question to you, but it's very easy. Okay, you have given the function and you have to prove that this will be equal to 0. So far we know the values of y. Okay, it's given. We have to find second differentiation, we have to find first differentiation, and we are going to put it here, and if it is giving you 0, then it is proved. So let me find. So y is equal to, can I write x to the power minus 2 because I want to simplify this. Now differentiate it 1 time, y dash, this will give you minus 2 x to the power minus 3. And if you differentiate it, sorry, this is differentiation 1 time, and if you differentiate it 1 more time, what you are going to get? You are going to get 6 because minus 2 times minus 3 will be 6, x to the power minus 4. Okay, so I have found first and second differentiation. Okay, so now I will try to rearrange this one, y multiplied by y double dash, because this is y double dash, plus y dash whole square minus 10 and y cube. You have to find that. Okay, if you found this is equal to 0, then you have proved. So what is y? Y is x to the power minus 2. Okay, so y is x to the power minus 2. What is y double dash? It is 6 multiplied by, so 6 multiplied by x to the power minus 4. Okay, plus y double dash whole square. So y double dash is minus 2 x to the power minus 3, and everything is squared, minus 10, and y cube. y is your x to the power minus 6, so x to the power x to the power minus 2 times power 3. Okay, now let's simplify this further. So this power is added, so your answer will be 6 x to the power minus 6. Okay, now minus 2 to the power 2 is your plus 4, and x to the power minus 3 to the power 2, so power is getting multiplied, so here it will be x to the power minus 6. Okay, here we are using power addition, and here it's power to the power, so the power will get multiplied. Now minus 10 x to the power minus 2 power 3, again the power will be getting multiplied here, so x to the power minus 6, and if you'll add them you'll get x to the power minus 6 minus x to the power minus 6, which is equal to 0, and that's what we have to prove. Okay, so this type of questions are bonus question. Okay, you will get your final answer. You don't have to panic about seeing this format. Just what you have to do, write the function, try out the first differentiation and write the second differentiation and put in the equation. And if you're getting left hand side is equal to right hand side, because left hand side we have got 0 and that is equal to right hand side, so 0 is equal to 0, so it is proved. Okay, so this type of question are very easy. So now let's move to another question, a final question. Now here also we have to show. Okay, so I will try to find the second differentiation, then first differentiation, and I will club into the equation, and if I'll get it equal to 0, then it is proved. Okay, so first function is given. What is first differentiation of this? Here e to the power 2x, it is not e to the power x, so e to the power bracket we have to consider. So e to the power bracket multiplied by differentiation of bracket is 2. Okay, so your answer will be 2e to the power 2x. Okay, now second differentiation will be, we will leave 2 and we'll try to differentiate e to the power 2x. Again it is e to the power 2x, so I know that its differentiation will be e to the power 2x again. So if you club them, it will become e to the 4 e to the power 2x. Okay, so we have found the first differentiation, second differentiation. Okay, so let's put into the equation and see what we are going to get. So if you put in the equation, the second differentiation is 4 e to the power 2x minus 3, first differentiation was 2ex, 2 e to the power 2x plus 2y, and 2, what is your y? E to the power 2x. Okay, so you'll get here 4 e to x minus 6 e to x plus 2e to x. This and this will be added up, 6e to x minus 6e to x, and that is equal to 0. So what we have proved, 0 is equal to 0, which means we have already shown that this is 0, and that's why 0 is equal to 0. So you can see that second differentiation is always easy if it is about the proved, and in the next chapter we will learn more about what are the application based on the first differentiation and the second differentiation. So stay tuned, and if you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do, so that you can get a new video each week. And I will see you in the next chapter. Then enjoy and bye.